The SCPI, Standard Commands for Programmable Instruments, defines a standard for syntax and commands to use in controlling programmable test and measurement devices. By using the USB, LAN ports or Wi-Fi of the oscilloscope, combined with NVISA and programming languages, the remote control of the oscilloscope and automated measurement can be achieved. NVISA installation and SCPI command acquisition. To control the oscilloscope with SCPI, NVISA driver must be installed first. We can go to the official website of NVISA, www.ni.com, to download and install this software. Visit the official website of Micsig. Enter the downloads of the MHO3 series oscilloscope product, and the SCPI command manual can be found. Use NVISA Interactive Control to control the oscilloscope. After installation, open NVISA Interactive Control. Connect oscilloscope via USB, LAN, Wi-Fi to computer. Double-click connected device. Then use SCPI commands to control, and use *IDN to query company name, model, serial number and firmware version. Try a simple command to open channel 1. Find code in manual. Copy and input. Click Write. Channel 1 opens. Can query current parameters via code. For example, to query the frequency of the channel 1, it can be seen that it is 1000 Hz. Use the NetAssist to control the oscilloscope. Connect oscilloscope and computer via network. Find oscilloscope IP in network setting. Choose TCP client. Set remote host address as oscilloscope IP, port as 5025. After connection, same code can open channel and query frequency of channel 1. Add \n at end when using network connection. Use Python to control the oscilloscope. We will demonstrate another example based on the Python language. Make sure the PyVisa module has been installed. In this example, we will acquire the waveform data of channel 1 and redraw the obtained data. Use LabVIEW to control the oscilloscope. The following LabVIEW example shows the settings of the oscilloscope's coupling mode, time base, vertical gear, trigger mode, channel attenuation ratio, trigger level value, etc., and acquires the waveform data of channel 1 and redraws the obtained data.
Visit our website www.micsig.com to get more information.